I'm gonna send into outer space to
So welcome back to Weekend Smile. The ultimate lip sync battle will take place right now. Performing Boys to Men, End of Time. Here is Dwayne Extol and the Boys.
We belong together, and you know that I'm right. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind? Said we'd be forever, said it never died. How could you love me and leave me and never say goodbye? When I can't sleep at night without holding you tight, girl, each time I try, I just break down and cry. Pain in my head, oh, I'd rather be dead, spinning around and around. Although we come to the end of the road, still I can't let go. It's unnatural. You belong to me, I belong to you. Girl, I know you really love me. You just don't realize you've never. It's only your first time. Maybe I'm being you. Maybe you'll try. We shouldn't be happy together forever. You and I.
All right, so there you have it. Dwayne Extol, Daniel Blake, and Jerome Foster, Jordan Ford performing End of Time by Boys to Men. We have some lovely judges. Give them a round of applause. We have two lovely judges in the building, D Major and Mr. Lex. So, are we going to take their comments right now or after? Okay, all right. So, are you ready for Team Sakina performing I Will Survive?
First I was afraid, I was petrified. judges. The judges have decided unanimously.
Mic check.
Unanimously. As the judges will give their take.
Definitely.
Yeah, you go first, bro.
We can start it.
Yeah.
First of all, big up both contestants.
Yes, thank you.
But I must say, this never fair at all.
Oh, we never fear.
Extra the jacket bad.
Sorry,
See?
Drew, big up yourself.
But hold on, this never fair at all.
Oh, we never fear.
Sakima, you rehearse too much.
No, hey! Let me
know,
tell
come
you
for them.
something.
You know?
Let me tell you something right now. Extra race from Thursday.
More extra. No, but hold on.
These two ladies came here this morning and we did
Because
that in the
them are
dressing
This
room.
never fair.
Bring
Extra.
up my
Them
where
back.
are my ladies?
No more
Where
extra
are my
learning.
ladies?
More.
Where them gone?
Them
Wanna
gone
come
already.
out, man? Wanna come out from
My
there?
team have to come as well.
This is actress
team have to come.
extraordinaire
Phone,
Chantal
phone,
Jackson
phone.
and singer girl
My
Rain.
team has to come as well.
Come on,
Sport-
come man.
Everybody, if you
Pick up
don't know,
yourself.
now you know.
Where's that?
Producer extraordinaire, this is Daniel Blake. And this is sports anchor extraordinaire, Jordan
I
Fort.
don't know, I'm convinced though.
These are my wonderful ladies. Give them a hand, them are nice. By the way,
Easy.
they choreographed while we were in the dressing room a while ago.
So,
Them, the two of them.
so we can announce who win too.
Yeah, man.
Easy.
Look, one, Alex.
All right, first of all,
Yeah.
Excel.
Excel.
Extra.
Excel.
Excel, we excel
Excel
anyway.
word.
Yeah, something. If you're gonna lip sync somebody's song, at least know the words. I'm just saying, man. At least know the words,
We never know
man.
the word them last time, so we learned them.
And your backup, at least know the backup. So what but Sakina,
Yes.
you were
Sakina,
beautiful.
you're
Thanks.
wicked.
You strut
Big
on
up my
stage.
ladies,
Your
big up my
performance.
ladies.
You were choreographed. You blew me away. I was totally out the water. You are Sakina. You are amazing. You were so on point. Sorry, X Factor, X something.
X Factor?
Something.
So, we have big up Ramona for your birthday. And for all
Big up
the
our
ladies
audience.
celebrating birthday tomorrow and daughter celebrating birthday
Her daughter.
Tuesday. Okay, have a wonderful. So it's Najee Brown,
She's
Veronica.
Najee Brown, Jermaine Brown.
Yes,
her
Jermaine.
daughter.
Oh,
Yeah,
Veronica,
man, so happy
Veronica
birthday.
Hayden, Marissa Jones. Marissa's birthday was yesterday. She's our graphic artist. And of course, we have to big up Tanya because the PA who helps us out, she got to get married today. Everybody say congrats, Tanya. Yes. And it was so wonderful having you guys here. I love you. Come back. Thanks. Big up yourself, DJ. Run the music. So
Big
we
up
can
the cameraman.
dance. Yeah.
Big up the director. Big up the producer. Can't forget producer.
Got it.
Girl inna me bed, give me with a dozen magnum on me bed. I feel clean like pussy from your toe to your head. Theory of the new thing, everybody says something. When you walk past people, we call you a rock man. No for them, they boy, the girl we catching a winner. Girl with them, my wife up every day, I take set. And I wrap up on the foot like I'm stuck on the river. And me say, whoa, girl I say me flare it. Whoa, girl I say me flare it. Whoa.